What's up, guys? Transmission oil of choice. Tractor oil, baby. Yo, what's up, YouTube? What it do? I hope everybody's having a great day today. We've been getting into it, and I was gonna do a little intro before I started, guys, but if y'all anything like me, I like to go ahead and knock this shit out. Don't got time to be playing around. So we got the trans out. It's full of oil. Ain't too much to look at, really. The rear main seal may be leaking a tad, but I really think it's the oil pan, because I put a gasket on here and it ain't been right since. But it could be the rear main. Let's take a closer look. Rear main. No, it's the pan. Yeah, I didn't put no RTV on that corner, but that's all right. Flywheel. Boy, that shit fucked up. This clutch is OEM, it's stock, it's nothing performance oriented about this. As you can see, I mean, there's 4 simple dual springs in the joint, and the pressure plate looks just like an AutoZone typical one. This is a watch out, this is a Sachs, and if anybody don't really know, this thing is German made. It's a German brand. They started really making stuff for BMWs and Mercedes. I know y'all gonna kill me in the comments. Why you didn't do Exedia or whatever? Bruh. Let's just see how well the Germans did. But yeah, we're about to go ahead now. I'm gonna take some compressed air, blow out all those holes, clean the bolts up pretty good. We're gonna Loctite it. And the kit comes with your alignment tool, fresh throwout bearing, and that's just the box that came in. Like I said, your clutch, nothing fancy at all. It's gonna be a nice soft stock pedal. A lot of people will get confused, you know, and be like, dang, well, I did a motor swap, so I need a stronger clutch. That's not the case, man. If you stock, especially this F20B, it's really down on torque. It only makes like 154 foot-pounds of torque. So, I mean, we used to run AutoZone clutches, which are standard, you know, in H's and stuff, and they pull just fine. I mean, it's unless you're doing, you know, 250 or something like that, you really don't have to waste your money on that stuff. So I'm all about being cheap. Shout out to Rock Auto, not a sponsor, but the whole kit shipped, it was like, with the tax and everything, like right at $100. So it's about what you pay for an AutoZone one if they haven't went up in price. But it's a good clutch, good reviews on it. People like it, so I'm gonna try it. What's up, guy. Oh shit. Transmission oil of choice. Tractor oil, baby.
Can't beat that thickness, kid.
Yeah, but it took forever. Look, I had the bolt out. It's still like it was thick as shit. So in the cold, it's gonna be rough.
Yeah. Once you're at the operating temp, though, it got a good viscosity. That fucking F20B though.
Yeah, man, it's a nice rabbit.
I swear it is.
See, I couldn't do none of that, like damn shit.
Yeah.
That bitch was long down.
New clutch for the win.
Like when you take off, you don't have none of that grrr, like that vibrating.
You thought you had a stage 8 clutch, but
you do not need that high clutch if you ain't making no torque.
Yeah.
Remember this.
Swear to God, bro. Y'all be doing overkill on clutch.
Boy.
Man, she sound good, bro. eBay pipe on the back.
Yeah, you did not burn out.
Yeah.
I ain't drove the bitch, like literally drove it. And it's been over a month now because it just got so bad.
Yeah.
Hey, shit.
Maxpeedingrods. Can't beat them, man. Budget.
What's up? Shit. I know we're gonna get some exhaust screws.
Yeah.
Second. Watch me shatter the clutch. Shit, boy. Can we get third?
Yes, sir. It went in there.
Motherfucker, what?
This shit is smooth, though. I swear. I don't know why I feel safer in this than your CB7.
Yeah, this one more quick than
Yeah, that CB7, boy.
that bitch be about to fall apart.
Yeah.
I noticed too, my CB started to do, like, you know, when you accelerate and shit, like vibrating the dash.
Yeah. I don't know, but I can tell you, when you figure it out, let me know, because my trap been doing it for like 4 years.
Oh,
I don't know what that shit is. You know, I thought it was the axles at first, but it got brand new axles. And
See, that's what I thought was wrong with mine. I was about to buy some one time.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what that is. Watch it cross over.
You can hear a slight little amount of just kind of heard it a little bit from the other clutch.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, we got 12 minutes now. Yeah, we win. Yes, sir.
Let that bitch pop. Bro, that shit went past 8. Hey, Mills, what the fuck you doing, bro?
Oh, shit.
That shit went like 82.
Oh, shit, B16, man.
But I ain't worried though with that damn Gates timing belt.
Yeah, so she holding on good, boy.
The H23 throttle body.
Yeah, so she's sucking a little harder, pause.
Look at F20. Ain't no torque. It don't even want to crew this bitch up here.
I mean, it is a fucking wagon.
Yeah, all that ass back there.
Yes, sir.
It's like once you wake over V-test, you feel like it's trying to do something.
Yeah.
And we 1720 don't make a motherfucking difference.
Hell no,
Not
no,
that
my boy. Oh shit.
Let's smoke 'em.
Oh shit.
Let me stop.